Welcome back to my channel. This is Ruth. Today I am here with a 3-part series. In part 1, I will explain about the traditional way of working in forever business. In part 2, we will see the brief of automation system, and in part 3, we will compare and combine. So without further ado, let's get started with the part 1, that is called traditional way of working in forever living business. In traditional system, the lead generation starts when you open a post or recruitment post in the social media or through any other medium. Some people even buy contacts from the agencies to reach out to other people. But speaking about the working system, most of the time the traditional system of working is by calling people. They call and call and call and call and call. They call people to attend webinars or seminars, but when it comes to the lead conversion, after this webinar, if people like or the leads that you have brought, if they like the webinar, that lead will become a lead conversion. That's where we come to the drawback of this traditional system, where your energy will drain of calling all the people. There is limited reach, and this will become a routine work. But every coin has its two sides. There are a lot of benefits out of this traditional system as well, because this system has been proven system since the beginning of this multi-level marketing. That's why it is called a long proven system. And because you are connecting personally, it will make you a genuine person. This gives a genuine feel, and you will have a community feeling and better control and immediate feedback you can able to get it. If you want to join my team, please contact me through the details that I have shared in the description box. And thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you.